Chapter 12 Meditation Techniques in Odinani. Meditation means to become familiar with whatever state a person is trying to attain. It has long been revered as a powerful tool for inner peace, spiritual growth, and holistic well being. In Odinani, contrary to what most people may think, meditation takes on vital significance. The daily practice of being in communion with one's ancestors in Odinani is referred to as Igomo, where one is expected to enter a state of being in unity with spirit, or to become familiar with the spirit guides. You may also come across the term Igofo in the spiritual practice of Odinani, which virtually represents the same idea. All of this goes to show that the Igbo language itself, used to address the act of communion in Odinani, all points to meditation as a necessary state of being for spiritual development. Meditation offers practitioners pathways to connect with divine forces, deepen spiritual insight, and transform their lives. Let's take a look at 3 meditation techniques in Odinani that have the potential to ignite profound shifts in the consciousness and realities of anyone who practices them. Number 1. Meditation. Meditation is a sacred practice that involves chanting the primordial sound of creation, This ancient mantra resonates with the vibrational frequency of the source of the universe, Okeke's energy, aligning practitioners with the cosmic energy that permeates all existence. Through regular practice of meditation, practitioners can experience heightened states of awareness, inner harmony, spiritual alignment, and spiritual enlightenment. They can transcend limitations of the ego and tap into the infinite reservoir of divine wisdom and guidance. In Igbo spirituality, is seen as the purest form of spiritual acknowledgement, which Nechukwu, the supreme creator and source of all things in the universe, gave permission to mankind to use to gain access to source energy. However, there's a distinction made in how the chant applies to the feminine and masculine energies. Om for the feminine principle and for the masculine principle. Number 2, Agwu technique. The Agwu technique is a meditation practice focused on Agwu, the divine cosmic energy associated with healing, divination, creative genius, and spiritual guidance in Igbo spirituality. This technique involves conscious breathing and visualization in its advanced form as practitioners invoke the energy of Agwu to rise and flow within. By channeling the divine energy of Agwu, practitioners can awake dormant potentials within themselves, release blockages, and align with their true purpose and destiny. This meditation technique is a form of ikumendo, taking in divine breath of life, a mystical practice that ancient Igbo ancestors used in healing all forms of incurable ailments and for restoring instant balance to mind, soul, and body connection. Through consistent practice of the Agwu technique, practitioners can experience profound transformations in their physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being as they attune themselves to the healing currents of divine love and grace. Number 3. Akume Mudras method. Akume or Mudras are sacred hand gestures used in meditation to facilitate the flow of energy within the body and harmonize the mind, body, and spirit. In Odinani, Akume patterns can be employed as powerful tools for concentration, visualization, and spiritual attunement. Forming specific hand positions can aid practitioners to activate energy channels, stimulate their chi energy, and access higher states of consciousness. The Akume method offers a direct pathway to connect with divine forces, invoke spiritual protection, and manifest desired outcomes through innate energetic pathways already existing in our bodies. Through consistent use of Akume, practitioners can enhance their meditation experience and deepen their connection with the divine. Exploring and incorporating these techniques we've outlined, such as meditation, the Agwu Kunei technique, and Akume or Mudras, into our daily lives can help us unlock the hidden depths of our consciousness, tap into the power of divine forces within ourselves, access ancestral wisdom to remember who we are more easily, and manifest our highest potentials. We encourage everyone to pick up at least one meditation practice, and that could include options not listed here. Anything that can help us become more familiar with our higher selves can be turned into a meditation practice. As we go down this path of taking on meditation as a spiritual practice, it is also very important to remember and keep in mind that consistency, repetition, discipline, and dedication are very key factors to unlocking the immense benefits of these meditation practices and experiencing the profound shifts that they can have in our lives and reality. One more thing, in every spiritual practice we undertake, it's very important to wear patience like armor. As you practice meditation, remain patient with yourself.